So guys, Synergy just now has released its tech cadets and TMEs and trainee ratings examination for the year 2021. So the last date of registration is 5th August and the exam will be held on 11th August. So this is the eligibility criteria of all the three. So for registering, I'll show you how to register. You need to go to this site that you are seeing. So for going, just go to Google, search Synergy Exam Excel India and click on the first link. After that, you have to sign up. Click on sign up. Fill all these details as per your information. After this, you'll get to this page. So you have to go to your email ID. They will send a confirmation mail on your email ID. You have to click on that and then you'll be able to register. This is the mail ID that I got. So you just click here and now my ID is activated. So now I'll just go back to my Chrome and refresh. So here this is on the Gmail app. I'll just go back to my Chrome page and I'll refresh. So now I'll be able to edit it. I'll be able to edit and after that I'll be able to fill the Synergy form for 2021. Since I'm already done, I've already finished my cadetship, I'll not be filling, I'll just show you. So here you need to first upload your photo. Go to the link which is there and photo, just make sure it is not a Facebook or Instagram post photo. Your face should be clearly visible, should be a formal kind of photo. So here you choose the image. If you have any formal image with you, that is well and good. If not, just make sure that in the image your face, eyes are clearly visible. These are the image requirements that you need to have. I'll just put 150 and 200 in width and height. So that will do the part. For width 150, for height 200. After that, click on resize image. After resizing, you download the image and then you go back to that Synergy website. You upload the image. After that, you fill the forms. So after filling up, you will come to this page. This is the details. Your exam will be held. This is the eligibility criteria. You can pause the video and see if you are eligible for the exam or not. The refund will not be there if you pass or fail the exam. There will be no refund of the examination fees. So please make sure of that. The amount which you pay for the exam, it will not be refunded even if you fail. So after that, you need to click on register for Synergy examinations. After clicking on that, you will get to a new link. So you select whether for tech cadet, TME or ratings. So I'll just show you how to do for tech cadets. You click apply now. After that, it will come to take you to the next page. In the next page, you'll see the basic details. These will be already filled up. You just come down and then your Aadhaar card number you need to download. You need to enter. You need to select the exam venue, enter your endorsed number. Then after your endorsed number, you need to enter your, do you have a US visa? If you are a fresher, you will not have, so just select no. After that, you have a sailing experience. If you are a fresher, you will not be having a sailing experience. If you have, click yes. If you don't have, click no. Do you have a oil chem DC? Do you have gas DC? Click accordingly. Yellow fever vaccination, click accordingly. If you have COC, click yes. If you don't, click no. And what motivated you to choose merchant navy as a career? Just write whatever you feel like. After that, click next. It will take you to the next page. Here you need to write your address details. Just make sure to write proper details and pin code, city, wherever you are residing. After that, you will come to the training institute details. Please select your training institute, the year of passing, qualification, whether you are BSc, DNS or rating stream. After that, your 5th semester and 6th semester BSc marks or 1st and 2nd sem DNS marks. After that, you need to fill your 11th and 12th marks and details. Just make sure to check your mark sheets and fill correct details. After that, you will be taken to the payment page. So just click on these things. Just make sure you click, and after that, you have to pay 1770. 1500 is the amount plus 270 is the tax which they are cutting. And after that you pay, select card, enter your card details, you pay, and after that you will receive a confirmation mail.